Good morning, guys. Just printed this one. It's a rubber band gun compliant mechanism. In other words, it bends. So as you pull the trigger, it pushes that lever up and that flicks the rubber band off the back there because it's attached to the front, and it should work. But there is a problem with the file. Had trouble printing it. And there's an odd little bit there, and yeah, it's all gone a little bit funny. So I might have to, well, I expect this will work, but I might have to look at it again or use one of those STL file fixer programs, because when I put it on the slicer it came up with an error. So I think there's a problem with it, but it's still more or less printed. It's got a lot of gaps in it, hasn't it? I've got some rubber bands. See if we can do this so you can see it. Hooks over there, that hooks over there, and then this sort of goes like that, because what we're doing is we're pushing that up so that releases. I don't know if that's the right size rubber band, we'll find out in a minute, but the idea is this thing twists or flexes. It worked. I think these rubber bands might be a little bit too strong. It's all flexing as I'm putting it in place. Is there an easier way of doing it? I don't know. It's certainly not quick loading. But it works. Brilliant. Yeah, the whole idea is, what do I call it, a compliant mechanism? In other words, it's flexible. I'll have one more go. That goes on there. That goes back on there. And then you've got to flick that there. A little bit fiddly loading it, but we're in place. So all we're doing is we're just pushing the rubber band off there. Oh, missed over the top. Oh, we'll have to have one more go then, won't we? Yeah, this is a bit fussy. Getting all that lined up. Okay. Success. Details in the video description to the link on Thingiverse. That should do for the thumbnail.
Excellent.